Hey guys, Shop Together here, and today I'm here with a massive bike rally and we're on our way to a stag meeting. And look at all these bikes! It's insane, never-ending bikes everywhere. All the way along the road. It's really insane. There's some really nice bikes as well in this rally. And also we've got Coachella Oats here.
Okay.
And he's also got a point of view, so you can check his channel out, you can see his point of view. So, yeah. His hands up, by the way. He just waved at us. He waved at us again. Hello. Guys, everyone's waving to YouTube. Everyone's waving to YouTube.
They're all waving towards us.
Hello. Look ahead.
Wow.
So many. Oh, there's a yellow one there. I think it's all of them. Oh, he's going to stand up as well. Wait a minute, that's a nice off-road bike. Do I see an orange off-road? That's an orange off-roader. Is that him? Dude, is that the guy you follow?
No.
That's all of them.
There's, I think there's a couple more behind. There was like that tiny little bike. But
Now you guys
I just smell burning.
It's not really like, subscribe and peace out. Hey guys, Shop Together here, and today we're here with Coachella Oats. And we're here again, also with my rally. I'm just going to edit this together probably. But these motorbikes you saw on the way to the stag, I've already said in the last piece of the video. If you didn't see the first half, which I don't know why you wouldn't, but there you go. But there's a massive motorbike rally going on. I think it's like all the bikes in Cornwall because there's so many of them. There's still some behind us, so we've been overtaken by at least 100 bikes or so. I won't be surprised. And
you talk too much. Oh my gosh.
they're all like riding by side, kind of. But, yeah. You can see just down the road that all the way along there. Big acceleration. We're overtaking this guy, I think. I didn't remember like this guy. If we are, that would be really good because they make this even more better footage. So, some focusing on this guy here. And he's just dropping back for some reason. Everyone's dropping back.
Awesome.
He's riding beside us. Why is he dropping back?
And that's it.
So I think these are headlights. Guys, we're back. We found them again. They were in another tunnel. We just turned off.
Last time we saw these guys was like half an hour ago, and now we're just seeing them again.
We literally just appeared out of nowhere. Because we appeared out, we stopped at a garden centre. And half an hour ago. And now we just pulled out. And there's still some here.
Is that a tractor?
No, that's not all of them. There's a tractor there, so in the middle of the bike. Older bike there. This looks so cool with camera, look at this tree.
I know.
We're ready.
There's so many.
Some more than this, I bet there's like another 100. This must be Cornwall's full. I bet this is all of Cornwall, I reckon. What do you think?
I don't know. There's a lot of them.
What?
There's a lot of them.
I reckon it's not 100 or so. None of them have waited so far.
1,600.
I'll try and wait for you.
It's got a bit over 100, just passed us already.
Alright, I'll wait for you. One wave.
There's so many of them.
One is waiting quick. That one I've noted.
I think that's all of them. Nope. I lied.
It's a bit difficult, and they can't take their right hand
Oh
off.
yeah.
Because that's their throttle.
So we are in a club of our own with lots of stag cars, like the one behind us.
Yeah, we're in
You
a
got a
stack
camera
up
on
right
your
now.
helmet.
This is just sad.
Sorry?
You got a camera on.
I know, he probably had like a GoPro or something. That's what, like, yeah. There's like, I've seen 4 of them with GoPros.
You ready? We're so fast as well. It's more fun passing against them. They go so fast.
Yeah, but then you don't see them again.
We can hear them though. It's so loud. Oh my god, there's even more. Dude, he's got one with a sidecar. There's one with a sidecar. Literally look. Right there, it's literally coming up now. Sidecar.
Another one with a camera.
I said I haven't got more than this. Is that all of them? No. Okay, how many are there? I'm gonna have to trim this video down, I swear.
I'm not.
You're not trimming this down.
Nope, I'm just gonna upload it
It's already
straight.
gone 3 minutes.
Yeah, I think I'm on the other one. Whoa.
I'm gonna attach all these, remember?
Yeah, same.
Oh my god.
This is, what do you call it?
This is too insane.
Is that it? I have a feeling that's not it, but I have a feeling it is.
No. That's not it. Wait for a minute. Wait.
Oh, big one then.
Even more. Is that all of them? I think that might be all of them actually this time. Guys, I think that is all of them possibly. I can't see any more. And I don't think. Oh, for crying out loud. Oh, try bike.
Open the window, open the window. We can hear the bikes then. Please. Yeah.
It's just sound.
Hey, it's that guy again. The guy in the really slow one.
Animal that is, isn't it?
There's been more. I bet there's more.
No, because he was like the slowest one, remember?
More.
Wow.
Don't say.
Hopefully
He is beeping at us, bro.
Bow.
There's more. I can see them coming out. There's so many more. Oh no. There's a massive crowd of them over here. I can see them. Here they come.
I'm gonna run out of phone memory at the end of this.
So I'm on 5 minutes already.
There's still more coming up.
I know.
Oh,
Here
wow.
comes the crowd. This is what I was on to do about.
1. I'm not even gonna count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I'm not even gonna count, but I'm gonna count. Physics.
Oh, no sound. 11.
Still more.
Here is the crowd I was on about. 12, 13, 14. That's 14 so far. This has got to be a massive event.
I better not run out of phone memory right now.
I think that might be all of them actually. I lied. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
I didn't miss.
Oh my god, oh, this is cool. This is so.
Yeah, I can't see anything now. 6 minutes.
I'm not going to count anymore, I've lost count.
I think this is coming to the end now.
I will stop with
I will get every bike, even if it costs me my
I think
phone
we've already
memory.
missed like 500.
True, but like,
Probably at the start, but
I'm not sure if to pause the video now or to like chop it out. But I'm going to
Pause it. I can't. I'm glad I didn't finish. They're going slowly as well. Oh yes, it's stopping up. Oh yes.
They went that way.
That way. Yeah.
So,
This is videoception. I'm videoing you, videoing them.
Oh, I didn't even know they're asking for that. I'm thinking they're resting.